Good evening, myself Shweta. Today's video topic is vital signs. Vital signs, as nursing students already know, but for the general public, vital signs include four factors, and additional two factors are also including in today's vital sign is oxygen saturation and pain. Main four vital signs are blood pressure, pulse, temperature, and respiration. Blood pressure, normal blood systolic and diastolic. Our systolic normal is 120 and diastolic is 80. This is the chart for telling you what is the normal, what is elevated, and stage 1 high blood pressure. First one is hypotensive. Those patients whose systolic is less than 90 and diastolic is less than 60 are considered hypotensive. Normal is less than 120 and less than 80 considered normal. Elevated blood pressure is 120 to 129 and less than 80 diastolic. Stage 1 hypertension is diastolic BP 130 to 139 or diastolic 80 to 89. So stage 2 are considered 140 BP or above or diastolic 90 or above. Hypertensive crisis. Crisis is a situation where your hypertension, your blood pressure is more, systolic is more than 180 एंड डायस्टोलिक इज़ मोर देन 120. दोनों एक साथ भी हो सकते हैं, दोनों में से एक भी हो सकता है. नाउ पल्स, नॉर्मल पल्स इज 60 to 100 in adults. If it is more than 100 it is considered tachycardia, and if it less than 60 it is considered bradycardia. Temperature, normal temperature as we all know is 97.8 to 99 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit, and 36.5 to 37.2 degree Celsius in Celsius. If you are considered hypothermia if temperature is less than 95 or 735 degrees Celsius, and it is considered hypothermia if it is more than 104 or 40 degrees Celsius. Now next is respiration. Normal respiratory rate, it varies from some books to books, but normally we consider 12 to 25. If it is less than 12 it is bradypnea, and if it is more than 20 it is not tachypnea. Oxygen saturation, normal oxygen saturation is 94 to 100. Low oxygen known as hypoxia. Some patient may naturally present with low oxygen like COPD patients. Next is pain. Pain is a subjective data. Subjective data means it is given by the patients, and to clarify it we need objective data. So these are the pain scales which are formed by different persons to help in rolling out the pain range. Numerical scale, pain rates, patient rate scale pain in 1 to 10 categories. If 10 or 9 it is severe, 4 to 6 5 6 it's not, is mild, and 1 to 3 is mild. Now it is next is Pinard scale, पेन असेसमेंट इन एडवांस डिमेंशिया पेशेंट्स. इसमें हम 5 बिहेवियर्स को असेस करते हैं पेशेंट की. ब्रीदिंग को, नेगेटिव वोकलाइजेशन को, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन को, बॉडी लैंग्वेज को, एंड द एबिलिटी टू बी कंसोल्ड. Now faces scale, patients select pictures on the chart that matches pain level, and according to that we give the scoring to the patient. Now last one is spot scale, critically care patient observation tool used in ऐसे पेशेंट जो इंट्यूबेटेड हैं, जिन्हें ट्यूब डली हुई है, या जो नॉन इंट्यूबेटेड है लेकिन क्रिटिकली इल है. इसमें हम ऑब्जेक्टिव फैक्टर्स जैसे कि पेशेंट के फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस, बॉडी मूवमेंट, मसल टोन, मसल टेंस, कंप्लायंस विथ वेंटिलेटर एंड वोकलाइजेशंस को चेक करते हैं. नाउ आई विल एंड दिस यूट्यूब वीडियो है. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल RBIT Academics. Thank you so much for watching.